Hi everyone. So welcome to the NRR Creative Works. So I'm happy to announce you all that we got a channel. That is, my channel got monetized. So I have fulfilled the 1000 subscribers count and 4000 watching hours count. So you all know that YouTube has brought a rule that is the prerequisite for everyone to get your channel monetized. So you should be getting 1000 subscribers and 4000 watching hours within 1 year, that is previous 12 months. So after you have started the channel, so you should be getting the 1000 subscribers and watching hours from the day of the start of your channel, that is within previous 12 months there. So if you fulfill those requirements, you will be getting the channel monetized by the YouTube there. Then you can become partner for the YouTube partnership program. So for that one, in order to fulfill the 1000 subscribers, that is the first task, 1000 subscribers, and second task, 4000 watching hours. I am going to explain you about 5 simple steps so that I have done within this 1 year there. So I have worked hard for 1 year to get the channel monetized. So the first task is how to get 1000 subscribers. So I am having 3000 plus subscribers. So but as per the YouTube, you need only 1000 subscribers there. So what are the advantages rather than getting the channel monetized after 1000 subscribers has been reached by you? So that is, after you once you reached the 1000 subscribers prerequisite, so the YouTube will be providing you with that is, you can go for the live video session. That is, by using your YouTube account, you can go for the live session. So you can, if you are working for the education field, you can give the live demos or live lectures by using the YouTube live once you cross the 1000 subscribers. And secondly, if you are a gamer, you can play the games live, so that you will be getting more watching hours. So that is the separate task that after. So in order to get the 1000 subscribers, what to do? The first method is, that is the first step is, so that is, create more videos which are of interesting type. So that is, before you have got the 1000 subscribers, you won't be getting the live, so you can't put for the live there. But you will be having other third-party softwares for putting the lives. So through that one you can do the live sessions. Otherwise, you have to create the more interesting videos and more videos, so that if those videos are very interesting, so the person who is going to watch those videos will be subscribing and liking automatically, and he will be becoming the subscriber for your account. So that is the first step to get the 1000 subscribers. So in the subscribers achievement, I will be explaining only 2 steps. First one is this one, that is the manual process, and the second step is you can go for the third-party softwares or third-party apps which will be giving you boost your subscribers. So that is, initially once you create your channel, when you have created your own channel, so your channel will be having 0 subscribers or 1 or 2 or 10. That is done by your relatives or friends or anything else, whoever they may be. So you will be getting only less number of subscribers, but there will be channels which are of large scale, who will be having thousands of subscribers, millions of subscribers. They will be having more subscribers. So this their channel will be coming to the up level in the YouTube search. That is, their videos when they have posted, they will be boosting up to the first place So in the search engine optimization, that is SEO, once you search in the YouTube search, so their videos will be searchable for the content. So that is a small, if you select a small topic, so if there are thousands of members who have done work on the same topic, so the person who is having more subscribers will be placed their video in the top level. So if we put that video also, our video won't be coming to the top level, it will be taking time. So if you create a new video also, so they will be putting in a wherever you want, all other places better, at all other places better. It takes time to get more views. So in the two cases, that is when you make a video which others have made, so it takes process to come to the up level. But if you make a new video that is no one has been created, and if there are more such content for that video, so it will be coming to the first position. So the second one is better. So that is, you have to do research on that topic, which will be a difficult task, and you should be putting a video after editing so that you will be getting the views. So if any person likes that one, he will be subscribing you automatically because he wants the next succeeding video lecture or video what you are going to put that is of his interest. For that purpose, he will be subscribing you. That is the first process. But in the second process, what I have said is, so your channel will be at low place. So in order to boost your channel to somewhat higher, that is to count the subscribers, so you should be going for the third-party apps. So you will be having lot many of third-party apps in the Play Store. If you search, you will be getting there. So for example, if you take a channel 2 promoter, so it will be giving some boosting of your subscribers. And if you the other one is sub to sub, that is if you subscribe to others, they will be subscribing to you to the other, you to you. That is, if you subscribe to others, they will be subscribing to you. But the disadvantage with that one is, whatever you put the videos, so that it will be reaching to the subscribers, but they won't be watching your videos because they just want the subscribers count. So if you want subscribers as well as watching hours, you should be creating interesting videos, so they will be looking at your video and they will be subscribing to your video there. Then your subscribers won't be going anywhere, and your watching hours also will be growing up there. So this is the second way. The first one is nothing but, that is videos, creating videos of interest, which makes the viewers to sit very interestingly there. That is, the average time of watching should be growing. The second one is, that is by using the third-party apps, that is to boost up your subscribers so that your videos will be coming up and all others will be watching there. So this is about the subscribers count. So once you cross the subscribers of 1000 before 12 months, that is previous 12 months, so you will be getting a live session for your YouTube. So then, now in order to increase the watching hours, that is the second step, so you will be putting a PUBG game. So if you are a gamer, you will be putting a PUBG game, or if you are you are from education field, you will be putting a live lectures, so that lot many people will be watching your live, that is whatever it may be, whether it is education or whether it is a game. So that the watching hours will be growing there. So if you put watching hours for, if you put the live for 1 hour, so if 12 persons will be watching that one, 12 into 1 hour, that is 12 hours will be your watching hours there. So that is the advantage of obtaining the live. So the first thing is, you should be getting your 1000 subscribers first in order to put your live, so that your watching hours will be increasing. So in that watching hours, so the third step is, that is regarding the watching hours. So how to get the watching hours? So this entirely depends upon the time calculation, and the time calculation throughout the 12 months period of time. So if you want, so the subscribers you will be getting very easily, but watching hours you won't be getting very easily, because within 12 months means 360 days you should be getting 4000 watching hours. That means within 12, if you want, so that is, if you want to get watching hours in previous 12 months. That is, if you want to completely utilize the 12 months, that is slow process, in a slow process manner, if you want to get the watching hours, that is if you want to take 12 months time to finish the watching hours duration, so you need to get 12 hours a day within 360 days. So that is in 12 months, that is in 1 year, you will be having 360 days into 360. So for per day, if you get 12 hours, so 360 into 12, that is you will be getting 4320 hours, that is 4000 plus watching hours. So that is the first, that is the one way of approaching the watching hours. For that one, you need to prepare your videos there. So getting 12 hours a day is not a difficult task, because if you make 12 videos of interesting nature, each video is having a duration of 1 hour. So if 12 persons watch your video a day, that is 12 new persons watch your videos a day. So 12 into 1 hour, 12 hours you are going to get there. That means one video should be lasting for 1 hour time. So there should be 12 new viewers per day, so that you will be getting 12 hours per day. So this is a long lasting process which takes for 12 months time, 12 into 360, 4320 hours. The second, that is the next step, that is the fourth step, which belongs to watching hour, is that to get the watching hours within 6 months time. So if you want to get the watching hours within 6 months time with the same watching hours, that is 4320 hours that we got with the 12 months duration, that is for 12 hours per day time. So you need to get 24 hours a day. That means you should be making a video with a 2 hours duration, so that if 12 persons watch that video completely, 12 into 2, 24 hours you are going to get per day. That is, every day a new 12 new persons should be watching your videos. If it is more than that, you may be getting the watching hours very speedily. So that is 12 into 48, 4320 watching hours you are going to get there. So that is the fourth step in watching hours. And if you want much speedily the watching hours, that is the fifth step, that is to get the watching hours within 3 months. So that is 12 into, so that is you need to get 48 hours a day. It is highly impossible, because you will be having 24 hours only per day. If you want to get 48 hours per day, so you should be having more viewers, more new viewers who are going to watch the video for the first time, because the video which is watched by you, that is repeatedly, the watching hours won't be counted and the view won't be counted for that video. So only once only your video will be counted for watching. So you should be getting 48 watching hours a day in order to get the 4320 watching hours within 3 months duration of time. So this is the very speed process. For that one, you should be working hard more. So the time, depending upon your time of your video and time of watching of your viewers, your watching hours will be completed very speedily or very delayly. That depends upon the viewers and the watching hours. So these are the 5 steps you want to do, so to get the subscribers and watching hours. So then after 48 days of your prerequisites has been fulfilled, the YouTube will be doing the, that is they will be doing a review, and they will be mailing you regarding the partnership program. If it is okay, so that is, it will be done there. So prepare more videos and you will be getting the YouTube channel, and your YouTube channel will be monetized. So hope you use the same. So all the best. So thank you so much. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share it. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.